great question. I've often wondered about this myself because I love ice cream, and I'm well acquainted with that feeling of a sharp headache when something cold passes through your palate or along the back of your throat. The experts have a few theories on why this happens, and here's one. It's that the cold stimulus activates sensory nerves in the palate, and those nerves then cause the headache, either because they trigger changes in blood flow to the brain or because they directly stimulate pain nerve endings in the palate. Another theory is that the palate gets so cold so quickly that the body tries to compensate by rapidly expanding blood vessels, which in turn sends a pain signal to the brain. Either way, this brain freeze is related to how quickly you're eating the treat rather than its temperature. It's easy to down a cone quickly, especially in the heat of summer. Easier than, say, eating a bowl full of ice cubes. So try slowing down. Another thing you might do is try putting your tongue to the roof of your mouth. This is a tip that works particularly well with kids, and good thing because in fact they are particularly susceptible to this condition. And here's something kind of fascinating. Your tendency to get brain freeze is genetic. Who knew? So, one more thing we can blame our parents for, I guess.